Okay, so before we start the mile jog, we like for your client to have a 2 to 3 minute warm up, which you can start off with a slight jog all the way around the track and then a dynamic stretch when she's done. Okay, so when she comes back and she's done with the jog, make sure she does go through a dynamic stretch, warming up all her muscles to get ready for the mile run. So today we're going to be doing the mile jog testing. One limitation for this run is that your client is going to try to run as fast as they can, which may increase their cardiovascular or orthopedic injury. With this, you want the client to run at a moderate jogging pace since it is a subject test. With this, the ages for the run are going to be 18 to 29 years old. You want them to run on a flat surface. A track would be great because it does need to be a 400-meter run, which is easily just calculated in mile. You want them to be wearing comfortable clothing, jogging shoes also. For this test, if you do have a male, it is for 8 minutes, and for women it is 9. You want to take their heart rate measurement as soon as they finish to be able to get an accurate reading. 2 ways to read the testing is going to be the carotid artery, which is on your neck, and the radial artery, which is on your wrist. You do want to count the beats for 15 seconds and then multiply that times 4. So we're going to go ahead and start. I will be taking her times for each lap, and then go. Uh, 9:13. Good job. Okay, once she's done with the test, you're going to want to take her heart rate as soon as she's done on the left hand, and then you're going to use 2 fingers, and then you can use your timer to count for 15 seconds. And then go ahead and stop. Multiply that by 4 to get your heart rate, and then from there you can also have her do a static stretch afterwards. Okay, so after your client's done doing the mile jog, and after you're done taking their heart rate right after they're done, you're going to have them do a cool down. At least 1 to 2 minutes. Have them walk around the track slowly, so that way it decreases their heart rate gradually, and also as well brings them back to homeostasis state. Okay, so once your client comes in from the slow walk, you're going to have them do a static stretch just to hit about what was used: hamstrings, abs, calves. Okay, so now we're going to tell you guys how to do the 1 mile rockport walk. For this, the ages are 20 to 69. This test is very good when it's only for used for sedentary clients. This test only requires you to only fast walking. You don't want them to sprint or go really slow. For this, you're also going to be using a flat surface. A 400-meter track would work great. Also for this one, as soon as the client is done with the walking, you want to also take their heart rate as soon as they're done. Again for the 15 seconds, and then you'll multiply that by 4, or the carotid artery on the neck, or on the wrist at the radial artery. And we're going to go ahead and start. Also make sure, like the test before, they are using comfortable clothing and then good running shoes as well. And then you're going to go ahead and take their time for this one also. And go. Okay, 13:23. Good job. So once they're done, you want to take the heart rate for 15 seconds on the left arm with 2 fingers. Count for 15 seconds, and you can use your timer. And then again, multiply that by 4. Once they're done, they can do a static stretching as well as before they do start, they can also do or need to do their warm-up for 5 to 10 minutes.
Here we have our equations for the steady state jog and the mile rockport walk equation. Listed below is a key to let you know exactly what needs to go where and for if you're using a female or male subject. Here we have the 1 mile steady state jog equation. The equation is listed below along with the units needed. You will need body weight in kilograms, the time in minutes, and heart rate in beats per minute. The next equation, you will see that we did plug in 56.7 kilograms, 9.13 for the minutes and time, and 176 beats per minute. You may use your calculator to get VO2 max, which was 44.19. Here we have the 1 mile walk test equation. The equation is listed below. Once again, you will be inputting the units that you gathered from the mile walk. You will use body weight in pounds, time, the age, and heart rate you calculated. Again, we will be using since subject was a female. Once you have inputted all units, you may use your calculator to calculate VO2 max, which we got 58.27. Here we have a checklist that you can go through for the mile steady state jog and also the mile walk, the rockport walk. Just a few things that you may look over to make sure that you have done everything correctly and have.